Man, got through that quantitative reason for business. Peace and happiness, man, from the outer circle. Shabazz over here, man. Just want to get some shout outs, man. I'm going to see you on the 18th, though, at Southern Style Salon, 8 o'clock. Drop some more funk into your live. Shout out Favorite Fire Slam team. Shout out Big Apple Kitchen crew. Shout outs, man, to my teachers, man. The poets, the organizers, the orators, and the revolutionaries. Shout outs, man. Shout out Booker T. Washington, W.E.B. Du Bois, Marcus Garvey. Shout outs, Elijah Muhammad. Shout outs, man. Just want to get some hollers out, man, to my teachers, man, the poets, the organizers, the orators, and the revolutionaries, man. Shout outs to Gil Scott Heron. The revolution will not be televised. We'll kick it to you on the internet. Shout outs, man. Shout outs to Emmett Till, Medgar Evers, Dr. Martin Luther King, Malcolm X, Al-Hajj Malik Shabazz, Kwame Ture, a.k.a. Stokely Carmichael, John Lewis, man. Shout out to you, Imam Jamil Al-Amin, a.k.a. H. Brown. Shout out Siraj Wahaj. Shout outs to Imam Wharf-Dean Muhammad. Shout outs, man. Shout outs Langston Hughes, Gwendolyn Brooks, County Cullen, Paul Lawrence Dunbar, man. Shout outs, man. Shout outs Arna Bontemps, man. Alice Walker. Shout outs, man. To the poets, man. The organizers, the teachers, man. The revolutionaries. Shout outs Bobby Seale. Shout outs, man. Shout outs Huey P. Newton. Shout outs Assata Shakur. Shout outs, man. Shout outs to my teachers, man. Shout outs Confucius, Buddha, Lao Tzu. Shout outs, man. Shout out Sahabi Kram, Radiallahu Anu and Ana. Shout outs, man. Just some good screaming hollers out, man. Some screams, some hollers out to my people, man. To my teachers, man. Jim Henry, shout outs to you too, my father. Shout outs, man. Just trying to give a scream out, man. I'm going to see you cats on the 18th. Southern Style Salon. I expect Tron, Tone, and Brandon from the Big Apple to drop some more funky too. I might even get Jimmy Smallbone to try to drop some out. Cam Dog, shout outs, man. Lamar, shout outs. Rhonda, Mikey, Jeremy, shout outs, man. Miss Kim, shout out to you too. I'm gonna kick it to you dudes, man, on the 18th. Southern Style Salon. Just trying to get some shout outs to my people, to my teachers, the poets, the organizers. Gil Scott Heron, Angela Davis, Malcolm X. Boom, 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 man. 5%ers, poor righteous teachers. Each one reach one and teach one, man. You dudes, man. You dudes get at me.